Hi everybody. Today I will show you how to add overlay in CapCut. To do this, open CapCut on your PC. Now, simply import your media into the timeline. Once you import your media, you can now play this. Now, to add overlay at the top of this media, I can simply import any picture or video that I want to add as an overlay. After importing it, I will see it here. Now, I'll simply select this, left click it and drag it at the top of my video. Once I drag it, I will see it at the top. Now, I'll extend this till the end of the video. Once I extend this, it will look something like this. But you can see I'm not able to see my original video. Now, to make it an overlay, I'll simply click on this picture and I will see these options at the right of my screen. Now, I'll simply click on this blend icon. It will show me these options where I can choose the opacity of this picture, but I won't play with opacity right now. I'll simply click on this default option and I get the option for overlay. I'll click on this and this will instantly make this picture as an overlay at the top of my video. And this will instantly transform this as an overlay at the top of my video. As you can see, now I'm easily able to see my video and this image as an overlay at the top of it. You can also adjust the scaling of this overlay if you wish. So this is pretty simple. Now, you can also play with the opacity. You can choose this bar, drag it to the left to decrease the opacity or to the right to increase it. So that's a simple way to add an overlay in CapCut. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell. And I will see you in the next video.